Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're going doing a quick unboxing of this live sound card. Wired condenser microphone. It's supposed to be parang siyang DJ box, something like that. See? Okay. So I found this in Shopee. Ayan, meron siyang mic, volume, echo, treble, bass, record, music, and monitor. Okay? And there's a power button. In the back, you'll see line 1, line 2, accompanying instrument, charging, earphone speaker, headset, condenser mic, and dynamic mic. So apparently you can use a condenser or a dynamic mic. And dynamic mic is the one you use for karaoke. Okay, we're gonna do a quick setup for this one. So, it comes with two line-ins na ano ba to? Micro USB to 3.5, okay, which you can use to connect to your phone or your laptop, I guess. So we're gonna test it first with the laptop, with the phone, with phones, okay. It also has one USB cord which you can use for charging, which we will do now. I assume this is power, no? One, two, three. See? May battery siya sa loob, pero we don't know how much battery it is. We're using a different camera app right now because we're gonna try plugging in our condenser microphone inside. So there it is. It's plugged in. Okay. We're gonna plug in another phone too. We're gonna test something. So we're gonna plug in my Quattro. Okay, so headset jack. Quattro from Next Infinity from Cloud Phone, okay. And then next we're gonna be connecting we're gonna connecting the BM800 condenser microphone here. See? So para kita nyo, ayan o, ayan, sa tabi ko, okay. Sorry, naka-mount sa small tripod tong phone. I'm using the Poco phone to do this, okay? So as you can see, I'm putting it there. Okay. And we're gonna connect a headset so that we can hear what's happening in the headset port. Okay. Lastly, we're gonna connect another phone here. So para yung audio goes into this phone, diba? So we're gonna connect this one, the last one we connected into the Poco phone. Okay? Dun. Hello, yun. I can in-out. May topak yata yung ayun, okay na. Okay na. May maliit lang siyang echo ngayon. So hi guys, is this weather? So I can hear myself already. Everything's plugged in. So ang problema, hindi pwedeng tinatamaan masyado yung jack dun sa dulo, no? Oops. Wait, nasira na yung tripod ko. Nagsaslide pababa mo isa. Okay. So yan. Let's focus again. So here, echo. So there's an echo sound here. Okay. Ayan o, nawala na yung echo. So it's normal voice ko na lang. Okay. Treble and here are some of the special effects. Palakpakan naman! Yun. Diba? Tama mga minions ko. Gusto niya ata ng suntukan o barilan. Okay, the red buttons, we don't know what does it.
Mali daw. Ah!
Hello, hello, hello. Wala naman nagbago.
Oh, wow!
Oh, diba? Ang ganda! Tapos, hindi ko na alam na nangyari dito sa tatlo. Wala namang pinagkaiba. So, ayan, nakita nyo yung mga test, di ba? So, now, we can even, pwede ka na mag-mix habang naglalaro, di ba? You're doing a podcast, you know. You can go to Spotify, okay? Gusto mo may sounds, may music in the background. So, we're gonna play a quick clip kasi baka para hindi maban ni YouTube yung ano ko, di ba? Oh, diba? Ang galing, nakita nyo. So, yung music pala, I think I need to transfer it to the other side para makontrol ko yung volume. Okay, so if you want to play music, you need to put it in the accompaniment instrument. Okay. So, ngayon, yan. Kita niyo, pumapasok na yun. That's it for quick unboxing for the sound card V8. You can buy this on Shopee. I bought this for about 700 something pesos only. Diba? Cool! So, palakpakan! Thank you for watching. Bye, guys!